Hi, how are you viewers? This is Robert Bingham, the Summoner, presenting Elementary 2. This is a series of photos that I took on June 10th on my rooftop with three Russian friends of mine. So if you look at here at the photos, you'll see that this thing comes in as looking like a zero, but believe me, it's not. It really changes form, changes shape, and all these other things that are really fantastic. It comes through the hillside from the sky, and actually it shrinks a little, and it lands on this particular spot right here in the hillside, which I had taken a video called Elementary 1 of a craft that was there on the hillside camouflaging itself. So here, and I did that one in 2015. Here, 5 years later, this thing is coming and landing at the exact spot I took Elementary 1. So it's very, very, very incredible to land at the same spot that I had videoed one that was camouflaging itself, totally disappearing, and by camouflaging itself, and this thing landed at the same spot. It actually stays there for quite a while, and then I start taking photos of when it starts moving on. It takes off and it moves on from that spot. And I take a series of shots that you're watching as it takes off again. This is Elementary 1. I'm at a lot right down from the site where you saw Elementary 2, the thing land. As you see, there's an object right there. And then it disappears. It totally disappears from your face. It camouflages, and these are the things that they're capable of doing. Just totally camouflaging and absorbing themselves in the environment. If you look right here closely, you see it totally disappear in front of your eye. And why can't they look like a balloon? They can look like a balloon just to throw you off. So I believe there's a portal there in that hillside. There's something going on. And I believe there's other elementals that are you can't see. They're totally camouflaged too. If you look closely, it looks like a person right there. That craft is right there, but the person is camouflaged. But you see his head right here on top, to the right a little bit, and it could be me, for all I know. So do you see how that just absorbed right there? Boom, gone. Right here is the series of 38 shots that we're gonna see of how it morphs and changes. It's completely black right there. And look at it looks technical. Look at that big thing at the bottom. A zero does not have that thing right there at the bottom. Kind of looks like a bird type of alien. Or I don't like to call them aliens, but spacecraft. And look at how it morphs and this. See right here at the bottom, it's morphing. Totally changing shape. Look at it right here. It's changing shape. Wow, incredible. It's kind of like melting and then changing shape. And this craft is coming down from the sky above where I took Elementary 1, the video. And this is 5 years later, it's still tracking itself to that spot, the same spot. So if anybody says that's coincidental, they're out of their mind, because it's not coincidental. It's scientific proof right here. Beautiful shots. So I suggest you look at it frame by frame and freeze frame it and blow it up even more. You could do a lot of things to verify for yourself that this is not a balloon. It's a craft. and these shots are so beautiful, artistic. Look at that one. Wow. That one. Beautiful shots. I could look at it over and over and over. Get some good energy from that. This one is beautiful right here. Looks like an eyeball in the middle. This one that's going to go by right now, this picture, that one looks like a woman right there. Looks like a woman. Some type of veil or helmet on her head. Look at this. It even kind of gets a transparency where you can see through them. This is the final segment of the video, and it's a series of shots all put together so you can see the changes that are going on. Watch the pictures very closely, and you see that they morph, and they morph really beautifully. So watch the whole video on UFO Robert Bingham, and put some great comments, put some thumbs ups, and go through my other videos. Thank you.